The Great Replacement, Theory or Fact? In his manifesto, Peyton Gendron, the 18-year-old who committed last weekend's shocking Saturday killings in Buffalo, New York, says he was motivated by what he saw as the displacement of his race by anti-white government policies. Above all, mass non-traditional immigration, which he refers to as the Great Replacement. Since the Buffalo shooting, regime media, in typical coordinated unison, have decreed that Americans must be silenced from discussing, quote, Great Replacement theory. The truth is that the Great Replacement is not a theory. It is a fact, and it is nowhere more a fact than in Buffalo, New York, where the white, aka American population, fell from 99% in 1920 to 43% in 2020. Do note the emergence of two new post-1965 Immigration Act imported minorities, Hispanics and Asians, which appear in Buffalo's demographics starting in the 1990s. Also significantly, note that the real collapse of Buffalo's white population began after 1950. That was in the wake of the Supreme Court's Shelley versus Kramer decision, which meant that white working-class communities were no longer allowed to shelter themselves from the impact of the Black Great Migration from the South. Peter Brimelow writes for VDare.com. The ruling class's problem is not that guerrilla dissident right websites and the heroic Tucker Carlson have noticed the Great Replacement. It is that the Great Replacement is undeniably happening, and that is the result of federal government policy. What Peter Brimelow has been calling since 1997, electing a new people. Everyone knows it. The ruling class simply declines to acknowledge its culpability in gloating about Middle America's dispossession. Here's Joe Biden gloating about it.
An unrelenting stream of immigration, non-stop. Folks like me who were Caucasian of European descent, for the first time in 2017, will be in an absolute minority. Fewer than 50% of the people in America from then and on. That's not a bad thing. That's a source of our strength.
To read more by VDare.com editor Peter Brimelow, click the link attached to this video.